Hello everyone and welcome to another episode of Snake Facts, where we explore the fascinating world of snakes. Today, we are going to talk about 10 of the most dangerous snakes in the world. These snakes have venom that can cause serious harm or even death to humans and animals. Some of them are also very aggressive and will not hesitate to bite if provoked. So, without further ado, let's get started. Number 10. The Black Mamba. This is Africa's deadliest snake, which can kill a person with just 2 drops of venom. It is named for the black color inside its mouth, not its skin, which is usually brownish. It can grow up to 8 feet long and move at 12 miles per hour. Its venom causes paralysis and cardiac arrest. The black mamba is highly alert and will attack if it feels threatened. It can strike up to 12 times in a row and inject a large amount of venom with each bite. Number 9. The fer-de-lance. This is a pit viper from Central and South America, which has a highly necrotizing venom that can cause tissue death, bleeding, swelling, and pain. It is responsible for most snakebite fatalities in its range. The fer-de-lance is usually found on the ground or in low vegetation, where it camouflages well with its brown or gray color. It is active at night and will defend its territory aggressively. It can also sense heat from its prey or predators with its pit organs. Number 8. The inland taipan. This is the most venomous snake in the world, according to the LD50 test on mice. It lives in the arid regions of Australia and has a potent neurotoxic venom that can cause respiratory failure and death within minutes. However, it is shy and rarely encounters humans. The inland taipan has a brown or olive color that changes with the seasons. It feeds mainly on rodents and birds, which it kills with a single bite. Number 7. The Sawscale Viper. This is a small but aggressive snake that lives in Africa, the Middle East, and Asia. It may be the deadliest of all snakes, since it is estimated to cause more human deaths than all other snake species combined. Its venom can cause hemorrhage, kidney failure, and shock. The Sawscale Viper has a distinctive way of warning its enemies by rubbing its scales together, producing a hissing sound. It can also coil and strike quickly, even from a distance. Number 6. The King Cobra. This is the longest venomous snake in the world, reaching up to 18 feet in length. It lives in Asia and feeds mainly on other snakes. It can deliver a large amount of neurotoxic venom that can kill an elephant or a human in a single bite. It is also known for its intelligence and ability to raise its head and hood when threatened. The king cobra has a yellow, black, or brown color with chevron patterns on its body. Number 5. The Boomslang. This is a rear-fanged snake that lives in sub-Saharan Africa. It hunts by extending its head from a tree branch and mimicking a twig. Its venom is hemotoxic, meaning it affects the blood-clotting system and causes internal and external bleeding. It can take hours or days for the symptoms to appear after a bite, making it difficult to diagnose and treat. The boomslang has a green or brown color with black markings on its head. Number 4. The eastern tiger snake. This is one of the most dangerous snakes in Australia, where it inhabits the southern regions and nearby islands. It has a variable color pattern, often with black and yellow bands. Its venom is neurotoxic and coagulant, causing paralysis and blood clotting disorders. It can also spit its venom as a defensive mechanism. The eastern tiger snake is usually found near water sources, where it preys on frogs, fish, and mammals. Number 3. The Russell's Viper. This is a large and aggressive snake that lives in South and Southeast Asia. It has a distinctive pattern of brown rings on its body and a triangular head. Its venom is hemotoxic and cytotoxic, causing tissue damage, bleeding, kidney failure, and severe pain. It is one of the most common causes of snakebite and venomation in its range. The Russell's Viper is active at night and will strike without warning if disturbed. Number 2. The blue Malayan coral snake. This is a beautiful but deadly snake that lives in Southeast Asia. It has a bright blue body with red stripes on its head and tail. It belongs to the elapid family, which includes cobras and kraits. Its venom is neurotoxic, causing muscle weakness, respiratory failure, and death. It is nocturnal and secretive, so human encounters are rare. The blue Malayan coral snake feeds on other snakes, lizards, and frogs, which it kills with a fast and powerful bite. Number 1. The Cottonmouth. This is a pit viper that lives in the southeastern United States. It is also known as the water moccasin because it often inhabits wetlands and swamps. It has a dark brown or black body with faint crossbands and a white mouth that it opens when threatened. Its venom is hemotoxic and cytotoxic, causing tissue damage, swelling, pain, and shock. It can also deliver a dry bite without injecting venom. The cottonmouth is an aquatic snake that can swim and hunt in water. It feeds on fish, amphibians, reptiles, birds, and mammals. And that's it for today's episode of Snake Facts. I hope you enjoyed learning about these 10 dangerous snakes. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more snake-related content. Also, let us know in the comments which snake you think is the most scary or fascinating. Thanks for watching and see you next time.